Today we are doing an Agnes procedure to get rid of fat underneath the chin. And there's lots of options to do this, but Agnes is just one of them, and it is permanent, which is great. So Agnes is microneedling with radio frequency, and what we have done here, we've already numbed our patient with injectable lidocaine, and we're using our Agnes machine there's microneedles, and then it delivers radio frequency down to the level of where the fat lives, and it destroys the fat. And you can kind of sometimes hear a sizzle. I love when we hit sizzle because it's, see, sweet SOS. The sweet smell of success or the sweet sizzle of success. Yeah, all that little sizzle. The needles help us obviously deliver the radio frequency down to the level where the fat lives. So you cannot get fat killing just by putting radio frequency superficially. That's why we love Agnes, because she gets the treatment to where it needs to go. And you only make fat cells when you're born, puberty, and pregnancy. So if you destroy them, you're not making fat cells there again. So Agnes is a great option. The other things that can help treat fat underneath the chin would be cool sculpting and Kybella. But Agnes is very versatile. So you could use Agnes on lipomas that you might have on your arms or your legs. You can use it for fat under the eyes. You could use it for buccal fat, which is right next to your mouth. So really anywhere there's an extra lump of fat, you can get rid of it. So if you had, for example, liposuction, and there's an area that's a little unusual afterwards, Agnes it. And there's really just the downtime of perhaps some bruising, but the nice part about the radio frequency is that it helps to heal also. So it helps to coagulate at the same time it kills the fat. So you can see Sharon's doing a great job here on this treatment. It's going to take about 45 minutes or so to get that area completely done. And then after Agnes, we follow it up with Scarlett, which is Agnes's very nice sister who comes in and tightens and lifts after Agnes is done being super mean and killing fat. So anyhow, the contraindications to getting Agnes or Scarlett would be as if you had any metal around the area that would not be able to tolerate an MRI. So if you have like a cochlear implant or some kind of metal in your head, you would not be a candidate for Agnes or Scarlett, but not a lot of us have those issues, so typically most people are candidates. And then post-treatment, you may have some bruising, and you will be a little swollen for a few days. It could take up to 4 whole months to see the final results, but they're usually very, very nice. So if you are interested in learning more about Agnes or Scarlett or any of the things that we do, visit us at RejuvenationMDmedspa.com.